and welcome back to the neglected portion of my YouTube channel. I would like to say this look is roughly inspired by the fact that Valentine's Day is around the corner, but I guess I just want this to be a romantic fairy look, somewhere along those lines. And then I'm just gonna let myself play around with makeup because I haven't done anything with it in a while. Makeup can be so intimidating sometimes. If you don't practice, you lose all your skills. So now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Honey. The great thing about having blonde eyebrows is that they can be any color you want them to be. I think I'm gonna make mine pink and then blend it out. Then I'm gonna take my liquid concealer from Kat Von D. I'm gonna put that on the eyebrow hairs. I'm kind of back combing my eyebrows just so I know that I get in and around them, underneath them, and then I'll take a spoolie and brush those babies back into place. Now let's do the concealer for the rest of my face. I'm gonna go back with the Kat Von D concealer and I'm gonna take Tarte foundation. That's way too light for me. I'm gonna use that as concealer as well. Now I'm gonna blend. I have a couple spots on my face, just some acne scars. I'm gonna cover those up. Now I'm going to add my powder on top. I'm gonna put this powder on top of everything, even the eyebrows. And my face is really prone to dryness, so I'm gonna wipe that off right now. Just taking off any extra. Oh, I forgot to do my forehead. You guys will have to forgive me. I haven't done full glam makeup in so long. My forehead is so much darker than the rest of my face. I know this looks crazy, but it'll all come together in the end. Now I'm gonna go do the contour, and I'm using the Fenty Matchstick in Espresso. Every time I do my makeup, I contour my nose in a different way just because I'm trying to figure out what works the best for my nose shape. I'll try to make a continuous line and then blend it up. Same thing with this, but I'll like flick it out more because I want it to fade as it goes in. These ones I always just brush back into my hairline. Okay. Alright, it's time to blend out that line. I'm gonna take my MAC blush in Peachtwist and I'm gonna take it and put it on the line right above where I put my contour. Kind of in the middle of my highlight and contour, so it kind of softens out that line. And I'll bring it all the way up to my eyebrows too. And without dipping it back in, I'll put it on this line as well. And I'll take this brush again, my powder brush, and further blend it. I'm gonna put more blush a little bit higher on my cheek. I never blended out my nose contour. Okay, not bad. What can we do now? I think I'm gonna go back to blush. I'm gonna use the blush that comes in this Tarte palette, Energy Noir. I'm gonna put that right above the other one. I'm actually gonna go back with my MAC blush. Do I look like I got sunburn yet? Yes. Okay, that's the look that I was going for, so I'm gonna use this purple for the eyebrows and a little bit of this one. I think like a mixture of both. I'm gonna take the darker one first and then put it on my eyebrows just to like outline where I want them to go. Oh, you know, it'd be really cool if I just blurred out the edges instead of cleaning it up. I kind of like that. Hey guys, sorry about the switch up on the camera quality. My camera battery died, but I do switch back to my camera after the battery's charged. Now I'm gonna take the lighter purple and just pack it in there. This is looking so good. I'm afraid I'm gonna mess it up. What do I want to do for the eyes? I thought I had a light blue. I'm gonna try and use this color very, very lightly. I'm gonna take this color up here and put it in the crease here. It looks so bad on camera. It looks so much better in real life. I hate this camera. I'm gonna try and fix it by putting this on my eyelid. Oh my god. It looks so crazy on camera. I don't understand why. Well, I understand why. The quality of my iPhone camera is nothing compared to the quality of that camera. Hopefully you guys can see in the pictures because this is looking so cute. I'm just taking the harsh lines on the ends of this and blending them down. think I'm gonna take some highlight and make something out of this. Okay, I'm gonna take the white and my highlighter brush and try and do something with this. I think this is just the base layer for something else to my face. Okay, now I'm gonna take blue ice. I wanted more of like a blue silver, so I'm gonna go back with Star. Now that I do that, I feel like I'm missing something down here since the top of my eye is so heavy. I think I'm gonna go back and add the upper color to the bottom of my eye. I'm going back in with this blue and I'm adding just a little bit to the outer, to like my temples, like very lightly. My roommates came home and started making so much noise, so I decided to mute out this section of the video